Hi everyone, thanks for stopping back in today to see what I am up to. And I have a Fashom box. I wish I knew what box number this was. I honestly do not, because I don't get this one that often. Seems to be extremely hit or miss for me. Once in a while I think about it and try it. Fashom is a styling box. It is not a subscription box. You physically have to go to fashom.com and request a style box be curated for you. There is a $15 per box style fee that is credited towards anything that you keep in your box. If you keep nothing, you forfeit your style fee. There is a link down in my description below, and I do believe if you use my link, your styling fee for your first box is waived. There is, let's see, prepaid USPS envelope inside. Shipping is covered both ways for you. You have an envelope that says "Hello, beautiful," and in it is a your invoice with your style note and a card. Better as I am, tells you what to do, all that good stuff, and we'll get into that in a little bit. Just want to tell you, fill out a profile. You receive 8 items in an email, and then you go on to use the the email and go directly to Fashom. Pick out 5 of them to send. You have 3 days to decide after you receive your box. And if you're unhappy with the stylist picks, the 8 items, like I couldn't pick 5 items from the 8 that was there, and sent my stylist a note and said, I don't think I can pick 5. So they added a few more on, and I still wasn't happy with the items that they added. And what I should have done was canceled it or emailed her again and said, take everything off and start over. But I just didn't want to be hassled. So I don't know if I'm going to continue to get this or not. We'll see. But this is what you see. It's a little rumbled up there in the box. Let's take out the bundle. Oh, heavy. It's heavy for sure. Let me get rid of that. So this is the bundle. Let's see. This is another sneak peek. And we're just going to read, and it says thank you on the tissue. We'll just get into this real fast. I usually do the pricing and my style notes at try on. And let's just get rid of all this stuff off the table here and see what we have. So the first item is from MTS, and this is a top. And this is a cold shoulder top, which is similar to what I have on, and I don't wear this one that often. This seems like it's like a flutter sleeve, cold shoulder, scoop V-neck. In the back, there's a pleat, and this one is like, let me see, make sure I hold it right at the shoulder. Slightly longer in the back than the front, but a rounded bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that right there, a little bit more of a rounded bottom. So that's the first item. So I'm just going to put that back in the box. What is this? This is from Oddy, O-D-D-Y. Yeah. And this is a dress, I think. Yes, a dress. I'm not sure what I think about that. There's embroidery all the way down the front. Short sleeve with embroidery. It's sort of like a chambray type material, but it looks I guess it's supposed to look like denim. And let's just fold this in half so that you can see the bottom. And there is embroidery around the bottom, and then the back is plain. I saw this and didn't think I would like it. I don't know what I feel about it. It is kind of cute. Here's the back. Oh, there are pockets. I just saw them in the light. And it does have pockets. I don't know. Like I said, I don't know what I think about that, but we'll have to see on try on because you never know. Never know. Oh, it looks like I have a pair of jeans here. And these are high-rise crop straight. Who is the maker of these? 1822, I guess, is the maker. These are a size 10. Good amount of stretch. Is there distressing of any kind? I don't think so. Here, and here is the hem. So it's a frayed hem, I guess, for the crop. Is there? No. There's just your normal whispering and lightening. Here's the back. Vintage denim. It says these, there's no way these are going to be cropped because these almost look like a full length for me. Not a crop. I don't know. Oh, we have some leggings. Love leggings. These are by Mona B. Nice olive leggings. These are capri, definitely. And there is some mesh up the side of the leg here. You can see, oh, there's pockets. So that's on both, you know, just your standard legging, but these are definitely a capri. I can see that much anyway. And then we have another pair of leggings, and these navy, like a navy blue, and this is just a straight, you know, a straight legging. Is there pockets? No pockets, a straight legging. They're still by the same Mona B, except these, which I'm sure these are supposed to be capri. Here is that design, and I don't like that, because if that doesn't sit on your calf, then it buckles. Like if it sits below my calf, because these are not petite length, then this lays funny. So then I don't like it. And I generally don't like that kind of stuff anyway, but a nice navy blue legging. So that's all my items, and we'll be back in just a few moments for the try on. Okay, I have the first item on, and this is from ODDI, and this is the Irati embroidery dress. The full price is $45. I get a 25% discount if I keep 3 or more items, so the price would be $33.75. And if I keep all 5 items in the box, I get 30%, which means this is $31.50. The fit is perfect. I'm not going to lie. The shoulders are falling right where they should fall. Sleeves are perfect. I don't think it's overly big. I mean, you don't want it to be too, you know, I don't want it to be too form-fitting. It has pockets, which is always fun. I think the length is perfect. It falls just above my knee. This is more like a, I would say like a chambray type of material. That's what it feels like to me, but it looks like denim if you're not sure. Very comfortable. I'm not sure how I feel about the embroidery. I don't think, if it was just at the bottom and maybe on the sleeves and at the bottom, in a heartbeat, I think I would keep it because it's comfortable. Here's the back. Just like I said, it is extremely comfortable, and I'm not sure on this one. I don't know how I feel about all the embroidery here. This tie, definitely I don't like. I would either tuck it in or tie it permanent and, you know, cut the rest. I think I'd like it better without any of the tie hanging down in the front. But I just think overall it's very comfortable, and I don't even feel like I have anything on. There's nothing constricting whatsoever. So you tell me what you think about this one. I really am not sure. I've looked in the mirror probably for 10 minutes after I put it on. Just not sure. I mean, I just have it on with the shoes that I had on today. I was just very casual today. So I don't know which, I would have to find shoes. But like I said, I think this is, if this all wasn't here, I would keep it in a second. Because I think that little bit at the hem and at the sleeve would have been enough. This might be too much for me. Once again, you tell me what you think. And we're going to, let me see, top and jeans we'll do next. Okay, I have the next 2 items on. The top is the Anissa cold shoulder top, and this is like a light blue. I'm not a fan of this. I'll give you the pricing just so you know. $41 is my full price, 25% off, $30.75, 30% off, $28.70. I don't like all this material in like the flutter sleeve, whatever you want to call it, in the bottom. If this was a straight, like the one I had on at the beginning of try on, maybe. I have one cold shoulder. I don't need this here, so I'm not a fan of this. I think this here, let me put this big here. I think this is just too much material. And I don't know, a smaller size down I don't think would work. So I just, like, here's the back. I just think it's too much material, too flowy, but I'm not, so therefore I don't think I would wear it. The jeans, on the other hand, fit phenomenally. The length is down at my foot. These are the 1822 denim, and these are the Melina frayed hem straight jeans, supposed to be crop. They're full length for me because they don't send petite when I ask for petite. So these are $68 full price, $51 at 25% off, and $47.60 at 30% off. I mean, they're a great jean, great color. There's no distressing except the normal like lightness and whispering and so forth. The fit is good. There's no complaint whatsoever. They're comfortable. They're soft. So in that aspect, for a regular pair of jeans, and I don't mind the fray at the bottom, I could consider keeping them. I don't know about the price. $68. Like I said, I've been able to find some great jeans at Nordstrom Rack for $30 and under, $30, $35. I mean, I'm talking high-end brands of jeans on sale, on clearance, that are phenomenal. $68 might be a little bit much considering these are supposed to be cropped, and they're not. They're a full length, but they still fit phenomenal, and I think these are a size 10. So I don't know about the stretch factor, but even if they stretched a little bit, it would still be all right. All working pockets, and they're so soft. So this is the 1822 vintage denim, it says. So these are really nice. I'm not going to complain about these. So I will leave the top on, and I think I have 2 pair of leggings. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 pair of leggings. So I'll try them on, and I'll just leave this top on with them, and we'll be right back. Okay, so I have the first pair of leggings, and these are the MaureenMcD Melissa double crisscross high waist leggings. $42 regular price, 25% off price is $31.50, and 30% off price is $29.40. The fit is fine. Don't have any problem with the fit. They're more like a blue gray. But once again, here I'll show you on this leg. These are doing this because they're supposed to. These are a crop, not all the way down to my ankle. These are supposed to come up here, so that this is what they look like, so that everything is nice and flat. I mean, I can't, if I pulled these up, they're just going to bunch. They're too long, but that's where I would assume that they're supposed to hit as a capri, you know, up by your calf, which would be kind of cute if they were there, but they're not. They're all the way down here, which then puts a buckle on this last piece because it needs to stretch out. So while these are cute, they fit well, and I love leggings, and you know, especially with now the fall, before you know it's going to be fall, I'll be living in them. I'm going to have to pass on these, and I'll try the last pair on. Okay, I have the last pair of leggings, and these are also MaureenMcD. These are the Rhea Mesh Overlay Pocket Capri leggings. And these are $42 regular price, $31.50 at 25% off, and $29.40 at 30% off. These fit the same as the other pair. I mean, they're the same brand, so the fit is good. There are pockets. I can find them right here. Pockets on both sides, which is nice. I do like that. I don't put my phone in there, but sometimes, you know, you stand there, I can put my hand in them. So I don't mind the pockets. The mesh is right here along this side, which I don't mind whatsoever. I don't think I have anything this color, and these are more of a true capri. So I do like these. What was the... these would be $42 if that's all I kept, and that is a little pricey. I can get them probably for $20-some if I were to really hunt and search for them. But I'm going to do the recap now rather than come back and, you know, sit down and do it. I like the jeans. I'm just not sure if I should get them or not, because they're supposed to be capris, but they are full length for me, which is fine. You know, I will wear them in the fall. Tell me what you think about the jeans. Tell me what you think about the dress, because I am on the fence about both the jeans and the dress. And I kind of like these when I don't have the color. They are capris. I could wear them now, and I could wear them in the early fall and like in the early spring. I don't think I could wear these dead of winter, not being a capri, unless I were to put like boots with them or something like that. And I do have one pair of boots that come up a little bit that I guess I could. They're more like a casual, you know, I wouldn't necessarily wear them out, but I have type of boot. But I guess but they're the wrong color. I think they're gray. I would have to either find something. I mean, I'm sure I could wear them. I just put socks on in the wintertime and just wear them in the house. So it's not like they would only be able to be worn in the summer. So if I keep the 3 items, which would be the jeans, the dress, and these, I would have 25% off for everything. So then the dress would be $33.75. These leggings would be $31.50, and then the dress would be, no, the dress would be $33.75. The leggings would be $31.50, and then the jeans would still be $51. So that's still a little pricey for me. So you tell me what you think. These are the 3 items that I think I like. The shirt is a no, and then these other leggings are going to be a no just because of the way they do the bottom, and they're not truly a capri, where these are more of a capri. So tell me what you think. Let me know in the comments. I still do have a few days to decide, and would love to know what you think. And I'm happy that you stuck around till the end of the try on with me. I hope you're all having a great day. And as always, I hope to see all of you in my next video. Bye-bye now.